Hi, this is Sarah with Build Across Crafts, and today we're putting together our mantle or tabletop manger kit. These are a little tricky to put together, I would say. They're really tight fitting. We wanted them to be able to be movable without having pieces fall out everywhere. So these are two that I've already painted. These paint jobs on these took about 20 minutes. They're really easy to paint. So I'm going to show you how to put them together now. When you get your package in, it's going to come with all of these pieces right here. You have a roof, walls, a floor, Jesus and his parents, and a star. So your roof pieces have these two T marks on them. That's how you're going to know that they're the roof, because those two T marks make the square that the star drops into. So you start with your roof. It's really, this is the easiest way to put this together. Put your roof together first, and then you're going to put your two walls. So the walls are these two pieces that have the notches out of each side, and the floor has the slit in it. So these are your walls. You'll slide them on, and then you'll slide this side on. Now what you've got is this pentagon shape start of it, and it's going to be really tight fitting when you pull it apart. I want you to make sure that you have everything flush. I'm going to lay it on its side here. Everything is flush to the floor. Now you're going to do your base piece. This one is the tight fitting one, and you just don't pull apart on these little ends. They will break. Pull out from the side, and it's going to go on at the same time. This is easiest to do laying on its side like this. You get your little pieces in there. I'm using my thumbs to kind of separate it open a little bit and work the pieces down. Slide your floor in. Make sure that everything is flush all the way around. Now you have a really stable shape, and it's going to be able to be held up for a child to paint, to move around. You take Jesus and Mary and Joseph and you push them down. That's going to feel a little tight fitting too. Some of them fit tighter than others, but you're going to think, oh no, this doesn't fit, but it does. Push it down. You drop it all the way to the floor. It's another part of the stability. And then you have this square up here for your star. Now, if your pieces aren't flush, your star is not going to fit in there. They need to be, smooth on the edges. Take your star and you push it in too. And now you have it. And you almost, with some of these stars, it seems like a tight fit also. Like you're going to be like, oh no, it doesn't fit, but it does. And don't break it, but put your fingers firmly here and just push down, and it goes right in. So if you have trouble putting it together, give us a call or watch this video. But it's a really, really neat little manger kit that we have right now. Thank you.